Serial.
Sir, Honorable Chairman, sir, thousands of contract workers working at BSNL in different telephone circles across the country are in distress. So they are facing acute hardship due to non-payment or irregular payment of wages. They are also facing loss of livelihood because of certain decisions made by the management of Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. Sir, in the Kolkata circle alone, 4,500 workers have not been paid wages for the last 3 months. And in West Bengal circle, 1,500 workers are suffering because they have not been paid their wages for the last 5 months. Sir, these workers have not been paid, sir, because ostensibly the reason is lack of funds. Sir, even if the wages are being paid, they are not being dispersed in a time-bound manner, and they are often even less than the minimum wage limit. So the management is now planning to retrench the contract workers to curb the expenses of the organization. So this has led to the dual problem of job insecurity as well as non-payment of wages. So such kind of treatment meted out to the workers is both disheartening and demoralizing, because it will have a cascading effect not only on them but on the dependent family members also. Sir, there is no doubt that BSNL is facing a cash crunch and should cut down on expenditure. But sir, this exercise of retrenchment should not be extended to the contract laborers. I would therefore, sir, as in 2015 and as 2017, sir, on the intervention of the Trinamool Congress, sir, the wages were brought up to date. I would request the government to bring the wages up to date immediately on these workers, sir. And sir, on one side the Prime Minister is saying Digital India, and we are all going for Digital India. But the BSNL employees who are behind this Digital India, sir, they are suffering the most. I would urge the government to take immediate steps so that their wages are paid and made up to date. Thank you.